Well, let's get started. Hola, it's me Didi, and welcome to another very special episode, a part of my series where I'm doing the makeup of other drag queens on my own face. I'm not trying to necessarily do an illusion of that person. What I'm trying to do is see what I can learn from doing their makeup on my face. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Check out the others that I've done below or above. Since you're here, why don't you subscribe and do notifications and all that stuff, and follow me on Instagram. What I'm doing today is her kind of classic eyes and face. Granted, I don't have the same product she does and whatever, but I'm very much looking forward to seeing what I can learn from doing the face of Aquaria. I was doing suspense, but obviously you know because you clicked the link. Are you ready for Aquaria makeup on Didi Fuego? I'm very excited. Okay, here we go. So Aquaria is a known eyebrow shaver, so I have to cover my brows. Be right back. I've seen a couple of tutorials by Aquaria online, and also when she painted Jeffree Star and all that, so I feel like I know a little bit of it. Aquaria also, as far as I know, doesn't use beard coverage, but I'm going to use this Dermablend color correction. Now that they're dry, I'm powdering my brows, which is a step that Aquaria also doesn't do. Finally, I'm doing a step that I know Aquaria does. Foundation. 30 minutes later, I'm finally starting my makeup. In the tutorials that I've seen, she uses the Krylon TV painting stick. This is too white, okay. Abort. We're laying it on thick today. We are calling in thick. She does her contour first. Let's do that. Excuse my brush. Time for highlight. Oof. Forgot to do the nose contour. I'm scared of this kid because she is very good at that. Very tiny and very straight. Time for the highlight of the bridge of the nose. Widening this, diffusing it to the tip. I think we did a fine job, and we can all fix it all in post. No, we can fix it all with powders. Let's get right to the eyes. I do not have Aquaria's NYX Cosmetics palette. I was not sent that palette, but we're gonna work with what we got. A little bit of white. She has a very high eyebrow. Time to bring in the dark blue. That's the blue for now. Let's go into black. And we're gonna carry on now to the whites of the eyes. She uses a Jeffree Star white lip thing. I don't got that, so we are using my handy dandy, disgusting Mehron palette. It is really looking Aquaria-ish, isn't it? I'm gonna press the eyelids down with white powder. I'm gonna do the liner and a little more black and move on. Yay! I think the eyes have to be done. I have to move on to the rest of the face, and of course, always running late to my show. Contour. That's the nose. Blush. I'm gonna try to do this yellow on the cheeks thing that she does. Let's see. An orangish, pinkish blush. Always use this blush. I am Aquaria, Aquaria. Brows. I'm just gonna do brows like I know how to do my brows with paint. I'm gonna leave the eyebrows for now because gotta move on. Gotta move on. Aquaria loves a nude lip and I'm not used to it, so I'm gonna try a kind of like a nudie pinky. I think we're done. The eyes, the big lip, a skinny nose. I'm gonna put on my lashes, do some last minute touch-ups, and I'll be right with you with the final reveal. Turning looks and stunting pretty. I'm the bitch from New York City. Tribute to Aquaria face, complete! What do you think? Am I stunting? Am I pretty? I love Aquaria. If you need an understudy, call me. My eyes got a little sloppy when I was doing the eyelashes. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and get those notifications anytime I do a video. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, gotta go to my show. Happy Halloween. Adios.